If you are a college student graduating in 2028 and you want to intern with a big brand before your graduation, then this video is for you. Goldman Sachs has opened its Summer Analyst Program on 1st of July. This program is a flagship internship program for UG and PG students. The duration for the program is 8 to 10 weeks and the location will be Mumbai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. If I talk about the eligibility, then you can apply to this program if you are in college right now in 2027 and in 2028. The condition is that you must graduate in 2028. You can be doing your bachelor degree or master degree, but in course BTech, BCom, BBA, BA, MSc or MBA. Usually, Goldman Sachs doesn't ask for a CGPA, but if you have a strong academic and projects added to it and an internship experience that shows your leadership skills, then you have better chances. Now let's quickly take a look at the application process. So for that, either you can go to the Goldman Sachs career page or through Internshala. It will redirect you to the career page where you will click on the student button. After clicking on the student button, it will ask you to select the roles. Now there are 4 kinds of roles available in finance, business, engineering and corporate functions. Over here you can see the list. As per your academic background and your interest, you can select the role and do the internship in that. So after selecting your preferred role, you have to create an account and complete your profile. So for that, you have to add your professional and your personal details. And then it will redirect you to enter your preferred location. You have to select it. And in the last step, you have to upload your resume and submit your application. And once you have done this, your actual hiring process will start. So the first step after applying is resume screening. Your resume will be screened by the recruitment team based on your qualification, skills and your experience. And after that, you will be invited for an online assessment. Now, under the online assessment, there will be 4 to 5 sections depending on your role, like aptitude, logical reasoning, quantitative ability and situational judgment questions. And there will be a coding assessment if you are applying for a technical role. And once you clear this online assessment, you will be moved to the next level, which will be a video interview via HireVue. Over here, there will be 3 to 6 questions, mostly focused on your experience, group projects, motivation for applying, and why are you interested in this role. So the final round will be Superday interviews. So usually there will be 2 to 5 interviews in a single day, depending on the role you have applied for. You will be asked questions about your resume and your experience. And if you successfully clear all these rounds, then you will get the offer letter. And now the part you all are waiting for. Let's talk about the compensation, that is the stipend of this program. So officially, Goldman Sachs has not disclosed it, but we have spoken to the past intern and also checked the Glassdoor website. Over there, it's mentioned that the stipend is from 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. So that's it. You can go and apply to this program. But before that, one more last thing. I'm also attaching the official Goldman Sachs interview preparation PDF in the description, which will help you to clear the online assessment and the interview. So have a check on that as well. And at the end, if you have any questions, please comment below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment internship if you want to join our WhatsApp channel. Over there, we share daily internships and job updates. Until then, all the best.